Wellsaid Lab Voices. Hi there, today we'll learn about the Wellsaid software or platform where it allows you to convert text to speech using AI voices with different accents rather and different nationalities. So here we'll be using Wellsaid platform. All you have to do is log in or go to your browser and type in wellsaid.com. First thing you need to do is create your account if you haven't made any account yet. And here, as you can see, here on the left side panel of the screen is a navigation tool where you will be able to see the projects, your studio, and a lot more. So for you to create your own project, you just need to click on create project on the upper corner right corner for new project button. You just need to click on it. And here, once you click on your project that you created, you will be routed to a page where you will be inputting a text and you can choose what type of speech they will be using, and you can even choose what voice avatar. And so these are the lab voices that you can choose from. So there are pro level and there is also a maker level avatar, so you can choose a lot of options here, whether what age you would like that to be or what tone of voice you want the voice to narrate the phrase or the quote that you want to be generated. So you can just click on the play icon and you will be able to listen to the sample voices of these narrators. So here I'll choose this one, and when I click on create, here on the bottom part of the screen, you'll be able to see that that voice has been generated. So you can click on the plus icon to listen to how the text has been narrated. Okay, and once you are satisfied with that, you can also look for render options here on the left side panel of the screen. If there's any pronunciation that you want to specify, you can definitely modify that here as well. But once you're done and then you are good with what the voice is, you can go ahead and click on download. That's the download icon on your studio, just right beside the voice that was generated on your studio. And that's how you do it. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.